2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.